Welcome. This is a quick 5-minute gentle yoga class that you can do any time of the day when you're feeling stressed or just need a moment to recharge, a moment of calmness. This is beginner friendly, however, feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin in child's pose. Feel free to take the knees nice and wide. Of course, the option to modify placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Just taking a quick moment here to check in with the body and to give yourself a moment to completely soften the arms, the upper back, the belly, the hips. You can stay in your child's pose, or you can gently lift the hips, tucking the toes, and then again just sending the hips towards the heels, walking the hands forward, and maybe gently rocking side to side. Wherever you are, we'll come into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale to drop the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Now you can continue with your cat-cows, or you can find some organic movement, circling the waist, maybe rocking side to side or forward and back, whatever works for you today, wherever the body takes you. As you exhale, begin to send the hips towards the heels. Take a nice big inhale as you round through the spine all the way down to your belly, resting on your forearms. Inhale to lift through the sternum, gentle back bend here, tucking that tailbone. Maybe staying here or begin to gaze over one shoulder and then over the other. I really like this pose. It really gets into the side body, gets into the front body, just allows for better breathing throughout the day. Now you can stay here, take it a bit deeper if the body allows it, planting the hands underneath the shoulders. Inhale as you peel the chest off the mat. Just a deeper back bend here, cobra pose. And you'll do that a few more times. As you exhale, go ahead and tuck the toes, sending the hips up for down dog. Feel free to keep a generous bend in the knees, maybe walking one leg, walk the other, pressing the mat away from your hands and feet. As you exhale, plant the knees. We'll come into a comfortable seat. Maybe it's on your knees, maybe it's cross-legged, whatever works for you. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left. Right hand reaches up and over. Inhale, reach the hands back up. Exhale, side stretch towards the right. Inhale, reach back up, and as you exhale this time, take a twist over towards the left. Just a gentle twist. Inhaling to sit tall, exhaling to soften the shoulders. On your next inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, twisting towards your right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, release the hands back down. We'll do that a few more times just to bring a little more oxygen into the body. moving at your own pace. On your next inhale, reach all the way up. Nice big inhale. Exhale, take it into heart center. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here for you anytime that you need. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.